Hey there, subscribers. This is going to be my new attempt of transforming my paintball gun into a air rifle. So, this is a Spider paintball gun, Spider Extra. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut in here, and I'm going to get rid of the barrel. I'm going to be swapping it out for this barrel that fits my BBs. This was an advanced gun that I made with a spring. As you can see, I made a trigger for it and everything. You may have seen this gun in previous videos that I've made before. But yeah, I'm going to be using this barrel here, and I'm going to be using that for my new pellet gun. Got a few parts here as well that I'm going to be integrating. This is going to be my bolt that will be coming from the back of the barrel to seal it off. I'm going to make a hole in here to make a lever. Okay, so this is a Spider paintball gun yet again. I'm turning into a pellet gun. I cut out a cross section, as you can see. That's usually where the rear bolt would sit. Trigger assembly is down in there. I took out all of the guts and everything. So yeah, there's nothing in there. I cut the barrel to length. This is the pellet barrel that I was using earlier. And right in this last section here, there's a hole. And as you can see where the attachment, that the feed neck for the paintball hopper went into here. This hole right here where the hopper would be, I used the screws that would attach the paintball tank to the bottom, and that's what's holding the barrel in place so it doesn't slide around. So that's how that's gonna go. Now, to connect the port that's right in here, that's going up into the barrel, I'm gonna use this tube. I'm gonna cut it to length so that fits in between that port. It sits right into the port and fits in between the barrel as well, and that will feed air from the tank that will be attached here, and when I fire the gun, passes air from the chamber into the barrel and projects the projectile out to the barrel. This thick rod I'm going to use as a bolt. I'm going to cut it to length as well, and I'm also going to use this other piece. I'm going to drill a hole into this to make a bolt mechanism. So it's going to slide in to the rear once I have it cut to length, and that feeds in to the gun like that, and that would port that off. So I'll have a cocking mechanism there, and you'll see that take shape in short order. Okay, so I just finished making my transfer tube out of this piece of aluminum tubing. It was a bit thick in the center, so I had to drill this out. My camera's a bit horrible, but I just finished drilling this out. And I just finished drilling a hole into the barrel there, as you can see, and that's a piece of the tubing I cut and fit in there. It's fitting pretty snug, and it's fitted into the barrel. And once aligned correctly, this tube will be sitting in that hole, and then of course the bolt that I'm still working on will feed in behind this and seal that off. So, just gonna get this all fitted up. Okay, so this is my final end product. I have the bolt, as you can see. Made a notch for to go into. Cut the bolt back. Load the BB. Slide the bolt back in place. Lock down. Now I did have a trouble with locking the gun, so I made this out of a hanger just to initiate the caulking, and the semi-automatic fire mechanism takes over from there. Dry fire. So yeah, that's dry fire. Still able to use a semi-automatic feature despite a paintball gun. Thing is, I need a magnet now, probably a neo magnet that's strong enough that I can put right in here that would hold the BB in place from rolling out of the barrel. So yeah, probably it'll look around, see if I can buy a neo magnet from a handicraft store or something that could just rest right there, and that pretty much stop the magnet from rolling out. Anyways, peace out, and hopefully I get a test fire shot coming up.